Hey everyone, I'm Chris from the Californiers, and over the past few weeks we've been seeing things through a whole new point of view thanks to the Insta360 GO3 camera. Weighing in at only 35 grams, this little camera is the smallest action camera in the world, allowing us to easily get shots like this, and we really love this one. The GO3 camera has us really excited, and we gotta thank Insta360 for sponsoring this video to let us show what a family with kids can do with it.
It's super pretty, isn't it?
As for the camera, it's all about versatility. Designed with a magnetic mounting system that allows you to set up and film easier than anything we've used in the past, we had fun snapping and sticking this camera to anything we could find. And the type of shots you can get with it are really only limited to your imagination. When it comes to runtime, the GO3 can be used for roughly 45 minutes on its own. But docked in this action pod, the camera's runtime is closer to 3 hours. And we found that using the GO3 was really easy. Its intuitive design and straightforward controls made capturing our adventures as easy as hitting the record button. You can easily do everything using the action pod's touchscreen, even when the GO3 is undocked and close by. We were particularly impressed by what you can capture using its magnetic pendant accessory. With it, you can snap the camera right onto your kid's shirt. This accessory, combined with the camera's built-in audio recording and the horizontal lock technology, allows you to see from your kid's perspective like never before.
We're almost there, I know that. Aha, the slider's over there.
This hands-free POV perfectly captured some hilarious, authentic moments that completely sold us on the camera.
How cute. Nice. Wait, why did they put a rat in there?
I mean, we were pretty skeptical at first about how much footage we can get from sticking a camera onto our kids. While it's true that they can't go and jump around like crazy, because we tested it, we couldn't help but be impressed after reviewing the footage we shot. Insta360's shockingly good flow state stabilization removed a ton of the camera shake. And shooting with its FreeFrame video mode even allows us to completely reframe a shot after the fact inside the Insta360 app, which is super helpful. You can even use the camera's presets like time shift and slow-mo to show off your inner artist. And once you've recorded your footage, you've got a couple of different options for editing. If you're a parent that enjoys your free time and hasn't edited a video in your life, Insta360's phone app can create a shareable video for you in only a few clicks, with built-in AI technology that will search through the clips to stitch together a fun recap of your shots. I fully expect these sort of edits to replace fossils like me in the future, but for now, I still love editing the hard way, by uploading the videos to Insta360's desktop app, where I can search through to find, reframe, and export clips on my own for further editing in Adobe Premiere. So even if you're a beginner or a pro, Insta360 GO and its phone app has got you covered, creating fun content of you and your kids that you can look back on for years to come. Because let's face it, all of our kids are growing up fast, and the videos of them that we take today are going to be more valuable to us in the future. If this piqued your interest on the Insta360 GO, make sure to click on the affiliate link in the description below to learn more. Or if you've got to here, hit the like button on this video, because that helps us way more than you would think. So keep coming back, go out on some adventures, and have a great one.
Thanks for watching our show.